trust me, this video is a must watch. This is one of the best things you can find in China. This is the best rooftop. I've never even been to any rooftop in China, so I don't know the others, but Qingdao rooftop need to be a top 3. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Foreigner. On today's video, I'm at Qingdao rooftop. This is my first time to be in rooftop in China. Yeah, this is my first time. It's hardly for you to see rooftop bar in China. And the funny thing is, this rooftop is close to the beach. The view is giving beach vibes. So we are at the place, and this is a building. Wow. How do you think of the view? So close by is the beach, and you can see water flow. I love the sound. So we're gonna go together. I will give you guys a tour of this beautiful place, and let's see how it works. So basically, this is my first time here, and this here should be the entry. And after the entry, you're gonna take a lift, I think, to the last floor, yeah, where you can get way to the rooftop. So this is the entry, and we're gonna look for lift. I think this is a
我也听酒店，
oh
这个电梯到这个地方。
oh 对呀 this is the place. You can see the view from here. So this is a lift we are taking here. So basically this should be the last floor, yeah. We are inside. Like it should be 27. That's the last floor. So I'll catch you guys at this beautiful place. Yeah, it is 27th floor, Sky 88 Club in Qingdao. This is one of the best. It's even the best rooftop we have here in Qingdao. So I think this way. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, here's the restaurant. Anya, check the Weibian. Oh, champion. Oh, hold on. Wow. This is the view. You can see the European buildings here. Wow. This feels like you are in Italy. What do you guys think? And this is the road, and the other side is the beach. Wow, that's amazing. So this way is the way to the outside view, where you're gonna see the view. But I'm very shocked there is nobody here. Wow. Why is it nobody? I think we need to have this place, a place like this in my own city in China. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. This is one of the best things you can find in China. Yeah, trust me, this video is a must watch. This is one of the best things you can find in China. To find a rooftop bar in China is very hard. Despite Chinese have one of the most excellent view, but to find a rooftop bar is very hard. And you can see this side is the beach, and here is the road, while this side is giving European vibes. Wow, Qingdao is really amazing. And here like is a mountain. You guys did not see anything here. This is the right side of the rooftop. So basically when you come inside, when you explore this side, you are going to face these chairs. Then there is something like a garden with some decoration in this side here. And here too is like a small garden. I don't know how they managed to do this at the rooftop, a garden. And here is like a seat where people can sit down, have a fresh air. You can see it's like a joint. And here too, there's some flowers for people that like flowers, decorating and everything. Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. So the beautiful part of here is that there is an internal restaurant where you can like hang out with maybe a small get together or meeting with your friends. You can sit. It's like a one table where you can sit with people and maybe any office private meeting, and you are seeing the view, because from this side the view too is amazing. You can see the view of the beach, you can see the view of the city, which is very nice and amazing. So coming here and eating and enjoying with your friends, whether family, and the view is amazing. And here is the outside. Wow, you can see the decoration. Yeah, this is the best rooftop. I've never even been to any rooftop in China, so I don't know the others, but Qingdao rooftop need to be a top 3. Yeah, because even the rooftop in Shanghai, I think water is one of the best view in the world. And the Qingdao, this rooftop, it has the view of the beach. You can see, it has the view of the beach, and it has the view of the city from this side. So how do you think it? That is very incredible. And there is a mountain, and here is the beach. So this side is where people can sit, like have a get together or anything like this. While here too, there's some flowers, which flower is added to like a beauty. And upstairs there is another place here. You can see it's like a carpet where you can match to feel soft of the place. Wow. So here is another side of the rooftop. You can see from here, you are seeing it sky at 8 o'clock. This place, I don't know how it is, but definitely is the best place to enjoy and have a coffee, have drink, enjoy life. I wonder how the view will be at night. Wow. Yeah, this is a place that I was totally amazed with the features. Wow. This is Qingdao. How do you guys think about the view? And this is the beach. Wow. You can see the chairs. I like the design of the chairs, and the table are comfortable for people to have like a round dinner, lunch. Everything is perfect. And from here you can see the view. I don't know, is it like a place where people have like a Olympic or anything here close to the beach? Yeah, the place is very amazing. So the view here is excellent, 100 over 100. And you can see many people doing a boat cruise at the side of the beach. And normally during weekend, Saturday or Sunday, the beach is full, because today is Monday. But you can see how full the beach is. People are coming out. Wow. So this is the view. I hope you guys enjoy the view. And when you sit down, there is a menu inside where you will order coffee, different kind of snacks to eat and enjoy. So I will order my coffee and snacks. I've already got a seat where I will sit. So I will be seeing the view of the city and the view of the beach clearly from here while I'm sitting here, you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and support me by subscribing so we can give you guys more and more videos on channel. I love you guys. Peace out.